Last year, Gary's tomato plants produced 24 kilograms of tomatoes. This year, Gary increased the number of tomato plants in his garden by 25%. Okay. If his plants produce tomatoes this year at the same rate per plant as last year, how many kilograms of tomatoes can Gary expect the plants to produce this year? This question is all about percentage increase. Okay. But what is increasing? Ultimately, it's gonna be the tomatoes because Gary, in reality, is increasing by 25% the tomato plants, right? That's what it says. But since all the tomato plants will be at the same rate of growth, we can ultimately say that the tomatoes are increasing by 25% from last year, right? And so how do we do this question? Well, we have the 24. What is an increase? Increase by 25% of 24, right? An increase. Well, next year I should be having 24 plus another 25% of 24. That's what an increase of by 25% of 24 is, right? I should have 24 and then 25% of 24, right? That is 24 plus 0.25. When we say a percentage of, we convert it to a decimal by dividing by 100, right? And then multiplying that into 24. So if we take out our calculator, it should be something like 0.25 into 24 is 6. So 24 plus 6, and our answer should be 30. Okay? This method is honestly, I'm writing it this way so that you can understand, but usually when you get good at it, you should understand that an increase by 25% means that we don't take of 24 means that we're gonna take 24 and multiply it by 1.25. Okay, it's the same thing as writing 24 into 1 plus 0.25, which is the same thing we did right here. If you think about it a bit, we have the 24, right? We have the 24, and then we're adding 0.25 into that 24, right? And so ideally, when you have these questions, you should automatically write 24 into 1.25, and that should give our answer 30.